we have our break line, and we could be going really bullish like this, and after the earnings soar all the way up and break our resistance of $33. It's Friday! That's awesome, right? So, welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we will be taking a look at the Palantir stock price prediction. Today, actually, we have an amazing news event that happened yesterday in the after hours. That's right, Cathie Woods from ARK Invest bought 500,000 Palantir shares in the after hours. They are worth over 12 million US dollars, and that's just so bullish news for the stock, guys, because that basically means that Cathie Woods believes in Palantir as we are, because we know that Palantir is just such a cheap price right now. Like right now, Palantir today opened on a green candlestick. They were up over 7% today. That's mind-blowingly high. And we are currently sitting at $26.75. And we are possibly breaking out today. So today, we will be talking about the current Palantir support level and also the resistance level. And we will also try to predict whether Palantir will break out and go in a bullish trend, because the last couple of days and weeks we have been trading in a bearish channel and Palantir is waiting for a bullish catalyst, and we just had that. And let's take a look at the stock chart today, guys. Here we are at the daily Palantir stock chart, and we will be first looking at the daily chart. Next up will be the 1 hour chart, and after that will be the 4 hour chart stock price prediction, guys. So if you want to see more technical analysis and other stocks, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because we will be doing a lot more technical analysis like these, and we will be trying to predict the price of the most common stocks. So if you want to stay with me, make sure to sub to the channel. Okay, so when we look at today's price, it is fluctuating around $26.61. We are up over 6.5% today, which is actually really good, because when you look at the current trend line of Palantir, which is the white line right here, we can see that we are still on a bullish trend when it comes to the long run, but on the shorter run, we are actually in a bearish channel. And let me show you that. So right now, our previous all-time high was $33.63, which was right around here. And from that day on, we are actually going really bearish, because when I draw this, you can see that we started at $33, which was our all-time high, and we started having lower highs and lower lows. So I will show you. So we had an all-time high of here around $33. Then our next high was around $31. And our next highs were at this point around the $29. So this basically indicates that we are in a bearish channel, because we are having lower highs and also lower lows. So if you can see, our first low was around the $24, and then we dropped all the way to the $22, which is actually very close to our 50 moving average line, which will basically indicate in which direction the stock is going. So currently, when you look on a long period of time, we are still bullish. You can see that we have our next catalyst will be the demo day, because Palantir will have a demo day on the 26th of January, if I'm not mistaken, and that will be our next catalyst going forward. And I believe that right around here we could be having a breakout. What that means is that we could be actually going really parabolic. So let me try to show you. Right now we are here, and right here this is the earnings, so I will put a dot around here, and right around the 26th of January, which is actually very close, you can see our breakout is actually very close to that date, like 27th of January right here. We have our break line, and we could be going really bullish like this, and after the earnings soar all the way up and break our resistance of $33, which I'm very sure of we will break that resistance level, because when you look at the previous, like if you look at the MACD currently, it is about to cross, and we are just waiting for a catalyst. We know that the most recent catalyst was Cathie Wood, because yesterday in the after hours, Cathie Woods bought 500,000 Palantir shares for the ARK W ETF, basically, and that's kind of like, that's 12 million US dollars worth of Palantir shares. That's quite substantial, and that is basically the biggest reason why we are up today close to 7 to 8%. And I believe that we will still go really bullish on Palantir, and looking at this, we might have a breakout to the upwards very soon. So let's take a look at the 1 hour chart, guys. So here we are at the 1 hour Palantir chart, guys, and looking at the 1 hours, we are still looking very bullish, because if you can see, we actually kind of like crossed the MACD on the 1 hour chart, which is actually really good. And that is the main reason why we are up again today, up 8%, which is quite substantial. And it's looking really good for the 1 hour chart. So let's go to the 4 hour chart lastly. Okay, here we are at the 4 hour chart of Palantir stock. And again, it's looking kind of bullish. It might actually close on a green candlestick today, which I'm very certain of. We are up 8%. And looking at the 4 hour chart, you can see the volume is getting really high. Like, look at the volume today is going really high because people are buying in, because it's going up. And we are still looking at a green candlestick on a 4 hour chart. And the RSI is also going up to the overbought section. And we are crossing on the MACD. So we are still bullish on the 4 hour chart, guys. So that was my Palantir stock price prediction. I believe that this stock will break above the $33 resistance level. This could be before the demo day on the 26th of January, or if it doesn't happen after that, it could be on the earnings, which will be on the 11th of February, which is next month, guys. So I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to get into Palantir, I highly suggest these prices are really good. $26 to even $25 is a really good price for Palantir, because we will be moving upwards very fast after the earnings, in my opinion. So this was my analysis. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below if you liked it, if I helped you in any way, and I will see you next time. So if you take a look at the chart, we have very good news, guys. So right now Palantir is looking very good, and it's really close to the 50 moving average line, the 50 EMA line, and it was just an amazing run up. And I believe that Palantir will run up because we have a lot more catalysts within the upcoming weeks, because in January, so January the 26th, we will be having a Palantir demo day where they will be showing their software. I believe that before that demo day, we will be having a run up, and we might be reaching a new all-time high. And of course, in March, we will be having a brand new earnings. And we know that from the last earnings, Palantir did have an amazing earnings. And I believe with the new contracts coming in, that Palantir will have a very good earnings, and that will also boost the stock to new all-time highs. So if you want to follow me and my channel for the Palantir news and also the other technical analyses, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below if you liked my analysis, and I will see you next time. So peace out.